Okay, guys, let's go into action with Pixellab, and I should let you know that this app, exactly as it is here, will work mainly with these fonts, with this version. It will work for Android alone, Android users. So, this is my default background. I want to add images to it. So I want to use image from my device. I'll pick image from downloads. So I've picked an image, and then here I'll choose the size I want. So let me use this size so that I'll have, you see, from that size, from the size there, I can actually do different things. So I can choose if it's a circle I want, if it's I can adjust the frame, I can adjust the size. So exactly the shape I want here. I'll spread my shape, spread my shape, spread my shape to okay. So this is here now. I'll go back to make my shape. I'll reduce the opacity of my shape. Okay. So I'm having Nigeria showing properly. You can see if I'm reducing the opacity of the shape now. Okay. So this is what I want. And then now I want to add an image, another image. And this image I'll pick from my gallery. I hope you are following. Let me take an image here. Same size. Same size. Okay. Drag down, drag. I'll reduce the opacity of this image. So in alignment with what I have. Okay. Can we see? Okay. Okay. So I'll go ahead, add another image. I want to add images before I add my text. Add another image from gallery. And this image, I have image I have removed background already. So I go to my downloads. I removed background here yesterday. This image I removed the background. So here, okay, good to go. Now see what I'm doing. I'm increasing the size. This is manual increase of size. I did that with my hand. Okay, just drag down here. Okay, Now I'll use this button to adjust. I can use this one to position properly. This positioning, if I want to move it here, if I want it to be here, if I want it to be at the middle, behind, up, down. Okay, so I'll still use this one. Go here, move a bit. Okay, so okay, so I think we are progressing. Now I want to add some texts. Add texts. Edit my text. Okay. Nigerians say yes. Okay. Now I want to I choose the font I want. This is my font. I can use this font. Okay, you have different fonts here, different fonts. Have different fonts. These are different fonts, but I'm using the Amaranth bold. Amaranth bold. The Nigerians say yes. If I want to embolden it, make it bold. It's already bold. If I want to indent, yes. Okay, indented. If I want to cancel indent. Okay, so let's go. Now I want to add stroke to my text, and this stroke I enabled. You have to enable it. I can make my stroke to be white, red, green, whichever. Okay, green, whichever, but I can leave it to be black. But this is what I'm doing. White, or I can disable it. Or change the color of my text to white. But because of my background and everything, I can make my text green. It's like this. Make it black. Leave it as black. Okay, now increase the size of my text. Increase the size. Nigerians say yes. Nigerians say yes. Okay. I want to copy. I want to have a copy of my text. Undo, because I have 2 copies already. Now, so based on what I want to do, increase the movement. Nigerians say yes. I say yes. I say yes. Okay. Now, so just simple. So this is what I have here. I want to add another, because of what I want to do. I want to make a little graphic for the labor movement. Okay, so this is an image. Okay, so this is it. This is what I have before. Okay, like what I told you before, it's circled. Include it, so you can see what we have as an outcome. Okay, so simple. Move. Now let's vote. So the text I want to add now, with the same font, I'll just make a copy of it. Copy, move downward, sideways. Let's edit. Let's support Peter Obi for president. Okay. So what I'm doing here now, I want to have the indent, that is align my text. Okay. If I want it to be justified, no, but not. So it's okay this way. Now this way my text has, I can have a background for my text. That is if I want, but I don't want a background. Now let me just have my text, resize my text. Okay. Let's support. Okay, so I can have the color here to be red, deep red. No, deep red. Let me use this. So okay. Now bring my text to be stroke. My stroke should be something whitish. Okay. Can we see this? Now move my text. If I want to use perspective, I can use perspective here. If I want 3D, I can use 3D, whichever. But okay, I think 3D will be good this way. Okay, leave it. If I want 3D shadow reflection, if I want reflection, so let's have this. Okay, I think this, let me change this color to be this way. Same thing I will do here. Color, this color seems better, so I'll just have stroke for them. White, good. Same thing here, stroke, white, good. Okay, so a simple design. What is one last image I want to add here from gallery? I'll still save my image. I've not saved, but I need to save. When you're working, there's need for you to save. So I want to use something like this. This is another aspect of design. I already worked on this picture. If you want to learn something of this, okay, this will be a class for another day. You can have something like this. Okay, so let's go. So vote wisely. Okay, so let me add it. Vote wisely from my text. Let me copy one of these. Copy. Remember, if you want to add text, you just go to plus. But I have my text already, so I'll just increase it. Another way you can move your text, move here, this way. Vote. Vote wisely. I'm done here. I'm done here. Resize. Okay. I want, because this is the message. Vote wisely is the message here. So I'll go to align my text. Align it. Come here. Let it maybe yes. Vote wisely. So move. Okay. So I'm done. So we're done with this design here. As simple as it is. No. I clicked on undo. You're not undoing anything. So just move it the way it is, or the way it was done here. So save as project first, label, then save as image. Saved. Now go to my gallery. Can you see saved? Go to my gallery. Check downloads. This is where I'll check Pixellab, other albums, Pixellab. Nigerians say yes. I say yes. Let's support Peter Obi for president. Vote wisely. Thank you. Done. Done.